Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of creating an online e-commerce website. So make sure to watch part 1 as well. In this video we will be checking how to add products to your website which you want to sell. We will also check how to regulate prices of products and add sale button onto the products that are discounted. Thirdly, we will use different options to set the product to physical, virtual, and downloadable depending on what product you add. This is what we are going to create today. This video shows how our website will look after you watch this lecture. So have a look on how we added products along with images and their descriptions in this beautiful and organized way. Watch this clip of how we added all these products, and then we will begin our video.
In our last lecture, we had downloaded this Flux theme and all the necessary plugins, so make sure to watch that video as well. Here you can view this product named YT Book. To add our product, we can click on Add New or edit any of existing products. Simply navigate to the product and click on Edit option. After you click on Edit, the product edit screen would appear. Here you can add any of your product you want to show in your website. Here we will add product title, its images and description, and then update this product. For instance, let's add any product to our website. To show you how you can add your product, here you will add your own product details. I am going to add a wireless Bluetooth gaming mouse product to my website. After we have added the title now, we will upload images of our product. Simply click at Upload File and add the product image. After uploading, click on Set Product Image. After you have edited the product image now, you can add more pictures of your product by using Gallery. The gallery is where you will add more images of your product. To showcase your services or product, simply add all of the images one by one, just like I have added them. After you have added all the images in the gallery now, we will update the description of our product. You will add your own product description over here, just like I have added the description. You can also do customization with product description from the above provided tools. Also remember, you can add media files to your description as well. For that, go to Add Media. For instance, let's add a few images for our product description. Here select the file you want to upload. The file will be added to your product or service description. Here let's add one more image of product. Now at the bottom, view the short description area for your product. Add description relevant to your product, just like I have added. You can customize your text as well according to your requirements. Here you can select the category for your product if you want. After you have completed, you can simply click on Update. Now let's update the price of our product. You can set regular price and sale price from here. If you don't want to add sale to your product, you can just add regular price that you want. After you have set the price, now click on Update to set the new prices of your product. Now, if you have a virtual or a downloadable product, You can set that from here as well. But because we have a physical product, we will not set to any of these. After updating, let's see how a product looks. This is the product we have added. You can check that it is looking completely fine. However, in our next videos, we will be doing more customizations to it, but for now it is looking good. Thanks for watching. We have successfully learned how to add products to our website.